In this video, I'll be sharing my honest experience with Musicinfo, a digital music distribution platform that focuses on helping independent artists and labels reach audiences in China and South Korea. If you're an artist seeking to expand your presence in these regions, Musicinfo offers a compelling solution. Unlike many Western distributors, Musicinfo specializes in distributing music to over 60 unique music and media services not offered by others, including platforms like QQ Music, NetEase Cloud Music and Kuo Music. This extensive reach provides access to a potential audience of over 800 million listeners in China and South Korea. One of the standout features of Musicinfo is its straightforward pricing model. They offer a one-time payment for distribution, similar to services like CD Baby, which can be appealing for independent musicians looking to avoid ongoing fees. Additionally, Musicinfo provides promotional services, including playlist placements and social media promotion on platforms like WeChat and QQ News, to help increase visibility in the Chinese market. However, it's important to note that while Musicinfo excels in its niche, it may not be the best fit for artists primarily targeting Western audiences, as it doesn't distribute to major platforms like Spotify or Apple Music. Moreover, some users have reported challenges with customer support and delays in service delivery. Overall, Musicinfo presents a valuable opportunity for artists aiming to tap into the Chinese and South Korean music markets, offering a unique distribution network and promotional tools tailored to these regions. If you're interested in expanding your reach in Asia, Musicinfo is worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and insights.